My name is Christine, and today we are making some kid-friendly, healthy ice cream sandwiches. First, we're going to start off making our meringue, and we'll start with some egg whites and some cream of tartar. The cream of tartar is really important key because that's going to help our egg whites stay nice and stiff. We're going to whip our egg whites to a nice medium peak. So now we want to add in our vanilla. We're going to gradually add our sugar in until a stiff peak. Now that we're at our stiff peak, we can fold in our chocolate and our cocoa powder. Making sure not to knock out all the air that you just whipped into it. Now we could scoop and place that in the oven, already preheated. Looks like these ones are ready. As you can see, the tops are nice and blistered, and we'll let them cool until room temperature. So now that our meringues are nice and cool, we're gonna scoop on our frozen yogurt or sorbet. What's great about these is we can definitely take some plastic wrap and wrap these and save them for later, which is really great because we can make these ahead of time.